Jungkook only K-pop stars in Rolling Stone's Top 200 Greatest Singers of All Time. K-pop stars IU and BTS member Jungkook made it to the list of Rolling Stone's Top 200 Greatest Singers of All Time. The two K-pop stars are the only Koreans on the list. Jungkook ranked 191st on the list while IU ranked 135th. Jung Kook, the multifaceted youngest member of BTS, boasts a long list of talents. He's a strong performer, written several songs, and is known to be extremely hardworking and humble despite the success he's experienced at such an early age, Rolling Stone wrote. Rolling Stone, meanwhile, commended IU's wide range and versatility, which allow her to easily switch genres, from bossa nova to jazz and ballads. Since her 2010 breakout hit, Good Day, which garnered deserved praise for its magnificent three-note climax, IU has become one of the most highly regarded vocalists in South Korean music, the magazine noted. At the top of the list is the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin. A force of nature, a work of genius, a gift from the heavens. Aretha Franklin's voice is all that and more, which is why she remains the unchallenged queen, years after her final bow. Her singing is the most magnificent sound to emerge from America, more universal than Coltrane's horn, bolder than Hendrix's guitar, said Rolling Stone of the American singer and songwriter. Completing the top 10 are Whitney Houston, Sam Cooke, Billie Holiday, Mariah Carey, Ray Charles, Stevie Wonder, Beyoncé, Otis Redding and Al Green.